Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Mixpanel, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a new project in Mixpanel? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a new project in Mixpanel anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have a lot of different projects going on, and with Mixpanel, you can keep those organized. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Mixpanel dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Mixpanel, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a new project, here on the top left, you're going to click on Media. Once you do that, you're going to see all the projects you're working on. However, to create a new one, click on Create Project. Okay, here we can go ahead and name the project. So let's go ahead and name this YouTube Conversion. Okay, next you want to choose where you want your data stored. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave it in the US. And here you're going to go ahead and choose your time zone. I'm going to choose US Pacific. And then if you have more than one organization, go ahead and choose that organization. For me, I just have one. And next you want to click on the purple Create button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now we have created a new project in Mixpanel. Now, if you have more than one project going on, you can always switch in between them by clicking up here on the top left and then just toggling in between the projects. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a new project in Mixpanel, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.